Hey guys, it's me, Beauty Glamour Hair. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to apply foundation. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight into this video. Okay, so I'm going to take off my glasses, and the foundation that I'm going to be using in this video is from Wet n Wild. It is Photo Focus. It's a matte foundation. The little applicator one that it comes with. I'm just going to take my little mirror here and dab it on my hand. I'm going to take my hands and excuse me, and blend it in. See that? Got a little my dress. No biggie there. Okay. So now obviously, since this is a tad bit dark for my skin, I'm just really gonna make sure that I blend it in quite well, or else I'm gonna look like I got a tan. Which I don't mind if I actually want to look like I have a tan, but I really don't. There are many other ways that you can apply foundation. So I just found that it's easier for me if I use fingers instead of brushes. So now, one thing that you can do is you can rub it onto your neck if you want, so your neck kind of matches your face. I don't really like to try to get a tone that matches my skin color as best I can. So yeah, I definitely will admit I have had trouble with Wet n Wild on getting a shade that matches my skin tone. So one thing I do want to say that is, if in my case it's a little too dark, definitely make sure you get under your eyes, so that way it doesn't really look like there's any really can't tell that it's too light. Really just try to blend it in the best that you can. That may take some time. Okay. So yeah, and then that sort of is to it. I do just want to give you guys some tips. So my first tip would be definitely try to find a foundation that matches your skin tone the best that you can. Now obviously that can be hard to do in the store, so try to eyeball it the best you can. Yeah, and my second tip is going to be apply it the easiest way that you can, whatever is easiest for you to apply it, whether that be a brush, that be a sponge applicator that they have. Next video I will be doing a what I got in my Walmart beauty box. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Bye!